You ever feel like life just sucker punched you and then kicked you while you were down? Like you're losing at a game you didn't even agree to play? Your alarm didn't go off. Your job sucks. Your brain won't shut up. Meanwhile, your neighbor is training for a marathon and drinking green smoothies like it's fun. You're sitting there thinking, how do I get back in the game when I can't even find my socks? Well, good news. Here are 7 real, simple, sometimes stupidly obvious ways to win back at life, even after she left you heartbroken. 1. Make your bed, even if you're not a bed person. I know, sounds lame, but hear me out. When life feels out of control, making your bed is like telling the universe, I may be falling apart, but not on wrinkled sheets. It's a tiny win, and tiny wins are like Wi-Fi boosters for your brain. They strengthen your signal. Make your bed. Claim your first win before you even brush your teeth. 2. Drink a glass of water before anything else. Not coffee, not Coke, water. Most of us wake up more dehydrated than a cactus. Then we wonder why we feel like crap. You don't need to do a 3-day juice cleanse. Just drink water. Think of it as your body's start button. Bonus, you'll feel just a little more alive, like 3% more human. 3. Move your body. No, you don't need a gym. You don't have to deadlift a truck. Just move. Walk around the block. Do 10 squats while waiting for your noodles to cook. Dance terribly in your room. Movement tells your brain, hey, I'm still here. I'm still in this fight. Don't wait until you feel like it. You'll never feel like it. Do it anyway. 5. Talk to someone, even if it's your dog. Seriously, talk. To a friend, a therapist, a tree, anyone. Keeping everything inside is like shaking a soda bottle and expecting it not to explode. Say it out loud. It loses power when it's spoken. And if you talk to your pet and they judge you, well, that's on them. 6. Do one thing. You've been avoiding that email, that call, that pile of laundry that's starting to feel personal. Pick one thing, not 5. 1. Set a timer for 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just do it messy. You'll feel like you conquered Mount Everest, even if it was just replying okay to your boss. 7. Remember this. Life isn't a straight line. Some days, you feel like a productivity god. Other days, it's a win if you remember to shower. That's okay. Life isn't about always moving forward. It's about not giving up when it feels like you're going backward. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're just human. So if life has knocked you down, cool. Lay there for a bit. Catch your breath. Then slowly, stubbornly, start doing the small things. Because you don't win back at life in one big comeback moment. You win by stacking tiny, almost ridiculous little choices until one day you look around and go, wait, I don't hate my life anymore. That's the win. Now don't just sit here and wait for a miracle. Be the plot twist. See you in the next video.